Oh, this is oyster pie. If you've never tried it, give it a try. It really is good. If you don't like oysters, you might want to steer away from this one. Sorry, it tastes like oysters. See it up there? There we go. Okay. Basically, this is more of a breakfast than a dinner, but sometimes I like dinner with my breakfast, but breakfast over dinner, and so on and so forth. And this is just basic butter in my pan. It's an old pan, very old. Okay, good old-fashioned can of oysters. I drained out the water, most of it anyway. Let's just throw it in the pan. Okay, just add some table salt. You might want to add a lot of table salt to this because the egg's going to suck up a lot of salt. Lots of black pepper. Don't skimp on it. Do not add, let's see, yeah, don't add anything else. Not yet, anyway. Okay, let that sit and simmer. Okay, in this bowl, move that over a little bit so you can see. In this bowl, I'm going to put some eggs in it. I'm taking a wild guess here, so 3 at this time. I might have to add a 4th one. Good old-fashioned crackers. Give them a good squishy. And some corn, not sweet corn, just regular old corn. Not too much, no, half a cup. Unless you're going to feed a horrendous amount of family. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more oysters to that. Seems a little bit scrawny on the oysters. And yet again, brand new can opener. Don't work right. I'm going to resort to my old P38. Dump the can of oysters right in here. You want to saute these. That's why I do it this way. Just in case there's that bacteria in there. And anybody who eats raw oysters is just asking for death. Okay, I'm mixing my eggs and my crackers. I'm going to add more crackers to that. Now I'm letting my oysters cool down so it doesn't hurt the eggs too much. Got some bacon fried here. Little got some bacon. I don't know about anybody else, but I don't like my bacon so dang hard that I can't chew it. Yeah, I just added black pepper to bacon. Let's see those crackers in there. And this next step has to be real fast. And I got my pan lined with aluminum foil. And I grated some cheese. That's what glob is mine, so there it is. You can't have none because your mama's on welfare. Okay, now I'm going to mix my stuff with the eggs. I do it right here in front of you, but everything's hot. Now I'm putting my pan in the oven. Voila! Yes. I don't take a chance. I'd rather wash the same dish twice in the hospital. Food contamination, all that other stuff. Okay, I'm going to turn the fire down on my bacon because it's cooking a little fast. Okay. The oyster bake is very touchy. It's just like a souffle. You slam the oven door too hard, it's going to fall. And all you end up with is a goo. And you don't want to do. People find oysters already nasty. They don't want to goo in your mouth. That's for you people that don't like oysters. I love oysters. Oyster stew, oyster bake, oyster egg pie, which I'm actually making. It's a little touchy, but just don't add anything to it. Really, just add salt and pepper, and you're good to go. Don't add garlic, don't add vegetables. Definitely do not add vegetables. So many things. Don't add celery, please. And everybody makes a mistake on their oyster stew by adding celery. You don't do that to an oyster. Butter, salt, pepper. How hard is that? Milk. Shit. I make cooking look easy. I know I do. They're just some things. Some people like me, it just comes natural. See, I like my bacon to look like that. Just exactly like that. I don't want it overcooked, I don't want it undercooked, I want it done, but edible. Us older people, we ain't got none teeth, damn it. Bacon. Everybody loves bacon. And I got the fire off on the bacon. Basically, I'm just keeping it hot in the grease. And it won't dry out as long as you keep it in the grease. Only a moron puts it on paper towels. Hate people that put it on paper towels. It dries out the bacon like a freaking piece of cardboard. Partly done. I'm going to add the cheese now. This basic mild cheddar. It doesn't take very long for this. Just got to keep your eye on it. Make sure it don't burn on the bottom. Oh, bacon. Nice and soft. Oh, there's something about bacon grease that you should really know. Bacon grease never goes bad. Never. You can keep it for 1,000 years and still use it. It don't go bad. Unless you buy bacon that's sugar cured, then you're gonna die if you try and keep it. Welcome to a new America where sugar is bad for you. And Salt is bad for you. Everything is bad for you. One of these days, people will realize they've been lied to their entire lives. It's not the sugar and it's not the salt. It's everything else. We need salt. The mind needs salt. When we need as much as possible, or we go senile. The only way to get electricity to the brain is salt. And we have to have it. So we become a drone, a nothing, a nobody. One of these days, someone famous will finally say exactly what I'm saying. Well, not to leave you guys alone, but hey, watch my bake and make sure nobody steals shit. It's getting there. Yeah, a lot of people out there going, don't mock it until you try it. I never sold it in my restaurant for the simple reason is not many people like oysters. It wouldn't be a big seller, but I like oysters. And this is one of those recipes that kind of stuck with me. All I'm doing is waiting for the middle egg pie to get done. Probably about 4 more minutes or so. You can fast forward, I don't give a damn. Just follow the recipe. It'll be good. You'll like it. I guarantee it. If you like oysters, that is. If you don't like oysters, don't try this. You'll make yourself sick. Bacon. Oh, somebody put bacon in my skillet. Tasty. good thing about being your own cook is you can eat your own stuff, and you know exactly where it came from. Eggs come from a chicken's ass. Oysters come from some damn shell. Bacon comes from pig parts. Nope, not yet. And I gotta go 3 more minutes. Staring at a pan. Look at that pan. Make sure it don't move. Uh-oh, it moved. I'm blaming all you people on YouTube. My pan moved. Everybody's going to be seeing my lawyer. Whoever's watching this will be seeing my lawyer. And I'll sue you for all the nothing you got. And I want all that nothing in pennies. Got it? Yeah, I know you got it. It's like watching a pot boil sometimes, but it's worth it in the end. Nice and stirred, that's the way I like it. Basic egg pie. So, basically it's done. Give it a gander right there. Make you go home and smack your mama. Punch her right in the cunt. Or right in the dick, whatever kind of mama you got. I don't care. Throw some bacon on the side. And there you go. It's not a bad meal. But if you don't like oysters, this one's gonna suck for you badly. You got to like oysters. So,